Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Something smells so good. It must be Alice. 因为现在我们的录音间里面好香哦，一定有擦香水。
刚刚去试喷了一下。
是试喷而已吗？我是吗？确定？
是啊。
I was asking Alice that why does she smell so good today? And she's like, well, I just went to the department store to test some perfume on. 好，我们教大家怎么讲香水好了，好不好
Okay.
How do you say perfume?
香水。
香水 Okay, that's how you say perfume in Hakka. 讲到香水，就干脆教这个字跟香有关的东西嘛 Okay?
好啊。
好 You know, because the term perfume in Chinese and in Hakka, there's one word, 香, which means it smells good, okay?
香
Okay, when you say 香, it's fragrant, it smells good.
那海陆腔香
Hyung, that's a different dialect for being fragrant or something smelling good, all right? That's hyung. 好，那我们可以说香味
香咪
hyungmi, okay, that means smelling good. 这个月有端午节嘛，对不对？
对，
其实跟香有关系，然后又跟端午节又有关联的，就是香包。没错。During Dragon Boat Festival, people tend to purchase or even make their own fragranted sachet. And how do you say that in Hakka?
香包
hyungbao. Let's make a sentence out of one of these terms. And of course, the question I asked earlier to Alice, 当然就是要教大家我刚刚问你的问题嘛，就是 Alice 啊，你喷了新的香水吗？ Did you put on some new perfume?
你喷
我喷饭嘞喷
没有啦
啊你喷
我认真一点哦你喷
你喷真的是
就是你喷啊
spray 喷嘛对不对好 That means did you spray
新嘅
That means new 对新的
香水嘛
香水嘛你有喷新的香水吗有 You Okay That's how you say Did you put on some new perfume 你喷新嘅香水嘛Okay, that's did you put on some new perfume? Now let's review all these terms. Perfume, 香水
香水
and then something that smells good, 香味
香咪
and finally, the fragrant sachet that we use or buy during Dragon Boat, it's 香包
香包
真的是好熊啊 Alice 你真的好熊哦 You can compliment any woman out there when you said you are so 熊 There you go, that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什么太嘎
俺子 say 张来聊
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.